Welcome back to Midday in Kansas. We have been cooking all morning with Miss Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we've been making things that you can make with your children in the kitchen together, learning math and different things like that. Right now we're going to be making some soy nut custard, right?
We are.
And it's a winner from where?
The Kansas State Fair last year. Each year the Kansas Soybean Commission has a Heart Healthy Recipe Contest, and this lady got third place in the dessert
division.
category.
So Margaret Miller with Burdette, Kansas, congratulations to you, and we are now going to show you how to make it.
And it is a recipe that kids could do. There's some steps here we're going to talk about that mom and dad will need to help with.
Sure.
But easy recipe because we're just going to use a bowl and a spoon. I've got our granulated sugar in there, and you're going to add our eggs.
Okay, both going at the same time?
That'd be fine.
Okay. All right.
Very good. We'll stir that, and then you're going to add a little bit of salt.
Okay.
Little bit of nutmeg. And
Is that
vanilla.
What this is? Okay. You can tell how great of a cook I am. I don't know what nutmeg is.
It is a spice, and there's a whole teaspoon there. So now the vanilla.
Okay.
And then we have our 1 cup of our soy milk there.
Okay.
And you can add that in there.
All right.
And that's all there is to this, is just mixing this all together. There we go.
Perfect.
Then we're going to pour this. What I like to do then is just pour this right back into there.
Okay.
Because that will be easy, because you want 4 of these little custard cups.
Yes.
Or ramekins. Put that in. I put it in like a 9x13 pan, Jared. And then pour all the mixture in it. It'll make 4 nice desserts. And then set it in the oven.
Okay.
Because you're going to pour boiling water around that helps with the baking of the custard.
That sounds like a parental help necessary.
That's right. That's the step for mom and dad. Put it in there, bake it at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Take a knife and stick it in there, and it should come out clean. Because this is an egg custard. Then let this chill in the refrigerator till it's nice and cold. And then what she did is take a little bit of roasted soy nuts and put them on the top there.
Fun.
And you have a wonderful dessert. If you like custard, you'll love this recipe. It just makes a delightful dessert. And we'd suggest everybody get it in the kitchen with their kids this summer. And get a recipe ready that you want to enter in the state fair in September. Wouldn't that be fun?
Start the planning now, right?
That's right. That's
right.
right.
Okay, so this is what we just made. It's over here. And I don't know if you can see there with the soy nuts as the finished product there. So, okay, where do people get the recipe, Miss Charlene?
Yes, they should go to kansassoybeans.org or go to our website at kansassoybeans.org, and the phone number is 877-KS-SOYBEAN.
All right, Miss Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, one of my great friends. Always a joy to have you.
Thank you.
If you would, stay with us. We're back. Actually, we're not going to be back. We're going right over to Doug to take a check of the forecast.